Welcome back to the channel guys. Hope you are doing great. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to fit your Excel sheet to one page when printing. No more cutoffs, columns or messy pages. So first you have to open your Microsoft Excel and simply maximize it. Once you are in this page, you can simply open your document and you can maximize the document as well. Once you are in this page, simply click on the print option over here under the file section. Click on it and here you can scroll down and you can find an option called paper handling. Simply click on it and here there is an option called scale to fit paper size. If you want more control, click page setup, then go to the page tab and manually set it up to fit to one page wide by one tall. Just reminder, fitting too much in one page might shrink your text, or double check the preview before printing so that you can check how it looks when you are done printing the paper. And that's how you can fit your Excel sheet to one page, clean, easy and printer friendly. If this video helped you out, give it a like, leave a comment if you got any question and subscribe for more quick Excel tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.